Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Princess Pavilion in Falmouth and tonight's Children in Need charity show. Please welcome the BBC Radio Cornwall Showband. This evening, BBC Radio Cornwall's travel presenter, Alec Benford.
What do you think then? All right. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to BBC Radio Cornwall's Children in Need concert for the year 2000. Elvis Aaron Presley, known to a lot of people as the King. Now, he's been seen in Penzance working in a chip shop. He's driving a taxi in Truro. But tonight, ladies and gentlemen, Elvis is in the building. Please welcome our very own Matt Shepherd, The King Lives.
I'm itching like a man up a buddy tree. My friends say I'm acting queer as a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, no, my hands are shaking and my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Who do you think when you found such luck? I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Oh, yeah. When I try to speak, my inside shaking like a leaf on a tree. There's only one girl, but it's body of mine. To have that girl that I'm so fine. She touched my hand, what a thrill I got. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Oh, up, but I feel fine when I'm near the girl that I love best. My heart beats so it scares me to death. She touched my hand, I wanna feel like that. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's go, guys, whoa! I'm itching like the man up a fuzzy tree. My friends say I'm acting queer as a bug. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Well, please don't ask me what's on my mind. I'm a little mixed up, but I feel fine when I'm near the girl that I love best. My heart beats so it scares me to death. She touched my hand, what a feel like that. Her lips are like a volcano that's hot. I'm proud to say that she's my buttercup. I'm in love, I'm all shook up. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, hey, well, I'm all shook up. Yes! Well, you know I can't be found. Oh, I said at home all alone. If you can't come around, at least please a telephone. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Oh, well, baby, if I made you mad, oh, it's something I might have said. Well, please forget the past, for the future looks right ahead. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other love. Oh, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Oh, well, don't stop thinking of me. Oh, don't make me feel this way. Oh, come on over here and love me. Hey, you know what I want you to say. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Well, I don't want no other love. Oh, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Well, now don't stop thinking of. Don't make me feel this way. Well, come on over here and love me. You know what I want you to say. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other love. Oh, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Don't be cruel to a heart that's true. Oh, don't be cruel to a heart that's true. I don't want no other love. Oh, baby, it's just you I'm thinking of. Oh, yeah. Thank you very much. The super band as well. Thank you. Good evening. Whoa. Oh, it's hot up here. It's very, very hot. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Tonight we're just remembering some of Elvis's songs, and one song that he used to do back in the 70s was a song called Love Me Tender. And when he did that in all his concerts in the Vegas years, dressed, well, something like this, he always had all the girls come to the edge of a stage screaming and saying, "Elvis, Elvis!" And he would go down and give them a kiss. So as we're trying to make this as authentic as possible tonight, I just want you to know, if you want to come to the edge of a stage, I'll do my best to oblige. Thank you very much. Ooh. Love me tender. Love me tender, love me sweet. Tell me you are mine. I'll be yours for all the years, till the end of time. Love me tender, love me true. All my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Love me tender, love me dear, tell me you are mine. I'll be yours through all those years, till the end of time. Love me tender, oh, love me true. All my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Mr. John Penn, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. John Penn, ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Love me tender, love me true, all my dreams fulfill. For my darling, I love you, and I always will. Thank you. Well, it's a one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready now. Go, cat, go, go, step on my blue suede shoe. Well, you can do anything on my blue suede shoe. Well, knock me down, step on my face, slam my name all over the place. Do anything that you want to do. Honey, lay off my blue shoe, go, step on my blue suede shoe. Well, well, you can burn my house, steal my car, bring my liquor from an old fruit jar. Do anything that you want to do, but honey, lay off my shoes, step on my blue suede shoes. Well, you can do anything but lay off my blue suede shoes. Let's go, cat! Show, three to get ready now. Go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe. Well, you can do anything but lay off of my blue suede shoe. Well, a blue suede shoe, that's a blue suede shoe. All right, a blue suede shoes, baby, a blue suede shoes. You can do anything but lay off of those blue suede shoes. Thank you, good night.
going to be absolutely impossible to live with now. He is. I don't know about you, he wore me out. I should have to go and lay down in a dark room, I think. We're going to slow it down a little bit now. We've got a lovely lady for you now with a lovely voice. Well known in Cornish amateur operatic circles. She had great success playing Aunt Ella in Oklahoma. But tonight, singing Summertime from Porgy and Bess, please welcome Annette Hillman.
Summer
Isn't that lovely? I'm all alone now, dear. Just in case you don't know, my name is Alec Benford. I joined BBC Radio Cornwall about 18 months ago. Before that, I did 9 years serving in the Royal Air Force, and then I joined the Devon and Cornwall Constabulary. And I spent 30 years doing that in various stations around Devon and Cornwall, and then came retirement day, and I thought, great. Golf, watch a bit of telly, the wife's at work, it can't be bad, can it? And then I got this job, and I get up at 4:30 in the morning, and Joanna doesn't let me go until 7 o'clock at night. Quite frankly, it's no retirement. But I'm going to talk to you once or twice throughout the evening. I'm not going to tell you jokes, as David did. I'm going to tell you true stories. I started my career in the police force at Devonport in Plymouth. So I was an ex-serviceman, and they thought, put him down there with a matloose. He can't do any damage down there. And in those days, we used to walk. You don't see it. Well, I saw a policeman walking today in Falmouth. It surprised me. I haven't seen him walk for a long, long time. But there you go. I had to walk to St. Levin's Gate at Devonport Dockyard and carry out point duty. So there I am on my first day on point duty, nervous as a kitten. There's thousands in those days, busloads of dockyardies used to turn up. And you used to have to get them all across the road. It was worse than seeing kids in the school, it really was. And there were 2 naval lorries collided right on the junction. I thought, I really need this. But in those days, we had mobile policemen on a noddy bike. Do you remember the noddy bikes? They were like little motorbikes, and they had little shin guards around the front, so you didn't get your legs wet. Everything else got soaked, but from here down, you were dry. There was a guy called Jan Daniels riding this thing. So I called for help on my little blue radio with a pop-up aerial. And sure enough, soon we hear, me-ma, me-ma. And down comes Jan, and he rattles between these 2 trucks. Drives around me, still going me-ma, me-ma, right around, rattles back between the trucks and clears off. I thought, great, he's a lot of help. I found out later, when I got back to the police station, that all the other lads are in having breakfast at this point. And Jan comes into the car park, and he's driving round and round the car park going, and nobody took any notice of him. And finally, he stopped the bike, and he fell over, because the shin guards had wrapped right around his legs, and he couldn't get his foot down. It's true, true. Right, we're going to have a medley of popular songs now, performed for you by Tiffany Truscott and the girls, Chris Robbins, my mate Joanna Twist, hello Joe, and Matt Pengelly. So let's go downtown.
When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got troubles, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the rhythm of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you do
Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day. I'll send all my loving to you. I'll pretend that I'm missing those lips I'm kissing, and hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All of my loving I will send to you. All of my loving, darling, I'll be true. Come on, John, let's go. Close your eyes and I'll kiss you. Tomorrow I'll miss you. Remember, I'll always be true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. I'll pretend that I'm kissing those lips I'm missing, and hope that my dreams will come true. And then while I'm away, I'll ride home every day, and I'll send all my loving to you. All of my loving I will send to you. All of my loving, darling, I'll be true. All my loving, all my loving, all my loving, I will send to you. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, thank you very much. It's very kind of you. Lovely to see you all again. Thank you very much. And it's nice to see you again for this Children in Need concert. And it was funny, really, because John and I were talking. John and I were in the Jaguars many years ago in the 60s. Some of you might remember that. And I think we played in this hall 35 years ago. Oh, you remember? Hang on a minute, is that my mum? No. Gosh, I better be careful, because that wasn't my wife, you know. And I don't know who it was. Anyway, thanks very much for that. That was a number from the Beatles called All My Lovin'. Gonna carry on now with a number. Gosh, I'm out of breath already. No good, am I? Here's a number recorded by the Everly Brothers. This one's called Dream. Dream, 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 when I want you, in the night when I want you, to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream, 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 when I feel blue, in the night when I want you, to hold me tight whenever I want you. All I have to do is dream. I can make you mine, taste your lips of wine, anytime, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so, and I could die. I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream. time, night or day. Only trouble is, gee whiz, I'm dreaming my life away. I need you so, and that is why I love you so, and that is why whenever I want you, all I have to do is dream, 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 dream. Thank you. Thanks very much. Don't go breaking my heart.
I couldn't if I tried.
Oh, honey, if I get restless.
Maybe you're not that kind.
Don't go breaking my heart.
You take the weight off of me.
Oh, honey, when you knocked on my door.
Oh, I gave you my key. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it.
When I was down.
How would you climb? Woo-hoo. Nobody knows it. Nobody knows it.
Right from the start.
I gave you my heart. Oh, I gave you my heart.
So don't go breaking my heart.
I won't go breaking your heart.
Don't go breaking my heart.
Don't go breaking my.
Don't go breaking my heart.
'Cause nobody showed us
Oh, it's us to us, babe.
who I think we can make it.
So don't misunderstand me.
You put the light in my life.
You put the spark to the flame.
I've got your heart in my sight. Ooh,
Nobody knows it.
nobody knows.
When I was down.
I wish you climbed. Woo-hoo.
Nobody knows it.
Nobody knows.
Right from the start.
I gave you my heart. Oh, I gave you my heart.
Don't go breaking my heart.
I won't go breaking your heart. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my. Don't go breaking my.
Don't go breaking my heart. Don't go breaking my heart.
Have you noticed every time I come in here, they put the curtains across? I don't know what they're doing in there. They're on the beer. That's what it is. The bar's shut, but you'll see what's going on back there. Well, in our opening number this evening, you heard Samantha Willis sing Fame. Now, Samantha's quite well known in amateur operatics. She's a member of the Truro Operatic Society and recently starred in Gilbert and Sullivan's Patience at Treliske. She'll now sing a wonderful song for you from Les Miserables, I Dreamed a Dream.
There was a time when men were kind and their voices were soft and their words I dreamed a dream in time gone by, when hope was high and life worth living. I dreamed that love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. But the tigers come at night, with their voices soft as thunder, as they tear your hope apart, as they turn your dream to shame. He slept a summer by my side. He filled my days with endless wonder. He took my childhood in his stride, but he was gone when autumn came. And still I dream he'll come to me, that we will live the years together. But there are dreams which cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. I had a dream my life would be so different from this hell I'm living, so different now from what it seemed. Now life has killed the dream I dreamed.
Wasn't that fabulous? Right. You know, dance has been a part of the human experience since man's been on the planet, really. Every culture, no matter where you go in the world, and some of you who listen to Chris Blount's program will know I'm a well-traveled man. I've been about, I've seen a bit. A lot of dance. Wherever you go, every culture's got a dance. No matter how primitive the culture, they've still got the dance. There's nothing primitive about this bunch, I can tell you. They've appeared at the Hall for Cornwall, but tonight they're here for you in Falmouth. Please put your hands together and welcome the lovely young ladies from the Cornwall Dance Centre.
I'm hanging on
We're going to welcome back Samantha Willis. This time, however, she's going to sing a duet. And she's going to sing with Mark Lanyon. Some of you will know Mark from his lead role in Blondel in The Hall for Cornwall. He's going to be followed by Dave Alexander, who played Jim Kenyon in Rosemary, and Nicely Nicely Johnson in Guys and Dolls. Tonight, he'll sing Love Changes Everything from Andrew Lloyd Webber's Aspects of Love. But first, here are Samantha and Mark with a lovely song from Miss Saigon, The Last Night of the World.
In a place that won't let us feel, in a life where nothing seems real, I have found you. I have found you.
In a world that's moving too fast, in a world where nothing can last, I will hold you. I will hold you.
Our lives will change when tomorrow comes,
Tonight our hearts drown the distant drums.
and we have music alright, terror in the night, a song played on a solo saxophone, a lonely sound,
A crazy sound, a cry that tells us love goes on and on.
played on a solo saxophone.
It's telling me to hold you tight and dance like it's the last night of the world.
In a world where nothing can last, in a life that's moving too fast, I will take you.
I'll go with you.
You won't believe all the things you'll see. I know 'cause you'll see them all with me. If we're together, that's when we'll hear it again. A song played on a solo saxophone, a crazy sound, a lonely sound, a cry that tells us love goes on and on, played on a solo saxophone. It's telling me to hold you tight and dance like it's the last night of the world.
Dreams were all I ever knew.
Dreams you won't need when I'm through. Anywhere we may be, I will sing with you. A song. Played on a solo saxophone. It's telling me to hold you tight and dance like it's the last night of the world.
Fantastic. Wasn't that fantastic? I'm coming. After I left training, I was promoted to sergeant and posted to traffic. And I thought, oh, this is the bee's knees, traffic. And I knew I had to deal with French lorry drivers who were coming across on the Roscoff ferry with hordes and hordes of cauliflowers. Now, the problem was with these guys, they were always overloaded. They were loaded 32 tons on the truck. They came in with 38 every time. They made a few bob. So I thought, well, I've got to learn to speak French. So I learned just enough. So I would stop the lorry. Bonjour, monsieur. Bonjour, monsieur l'argent. Oui. Suivez-moi à la bascule. Follow me to the weighbridge. That was it. But the driver didn't know that. He's saying, no, 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 follow me. So we get down to the weighbridge. We weigh the first guy I weigh. He's 38 tons. So I said to him, well, you're going to have to unload 6 tons of this stuff. He said, no, no, no. Caterpillars. I said, pardon me? Caterpillars. He said, I said, what's caterpillars got to do with it? This is true. He said, in France, little caterpillar. On the ferry, munch, munch, munch on the cauliflower, fat caterpillar. Now, you remember Sonny and Cher, don't you? Well, you remember Cher. She's had more things lifted than Sainsbury's, that woman. Sonny, unfortunately, is no longer with us. He was killed a couple of years ago in a skiing accident. But here's singing Sonny and Cher's greatest hit, I Got You, Babe, Chris Robbins and Madeline Gold.
Love changes everything, hands and faces, earth and sky. Love changes everything, how you live and how you die. Love can make the summer fly, or a night seem like a lifetime. Yes, love changes everything. Now I tremble at your name. Love will never, never let you be the same. Love changes everything. Days are longer, words mean more. Love changes everything. Pain is deeper than before. Love can turn your world around, and that world will last forever. Yes, love changes everything, brings you glory, brings you shame. Love will never, never let you be the same. Off into the world we go, planning futures, shaping years. Love comes in and suddenly all our wisdom disappears. Love makes fools of everyone. All the rules we made are broken. Yes, love changes everyone, live or perish.
The person who spots tonight's deliberate mistake wins a BBC Radio Cornwall mug. It's bad enough doing it at all, but he's Dave's dad. I'm sorry, Dave. Right. So here we go then with Chris Robinson, Madeline Gold, and I Got You, Babe.
They say we're young and we don't know. Won't find out until we grow.
Well, I don't know if all that's true, but baby, yes, and baby, I got you. Baby,
I got you, babe.
I got you, babe.
They say our love won't pay the rent before it's signed. The money's all spent.
I guess that we don't have a pot, but I know all the lovely things we got. Babe,
I got you, babe.
I got you, babe. I got flowers in the spring. I got you. You wear my ring.
And when I'm sad, you're a clown. And if I get scared, your eyes are on.
So
Don't
put
let
your-
them say your hair's too long. 'Cause I don't care. With you I can't go wrong.
So put your little hand in mine. There ain't no hill or mountain we can climb. Babe,
I got you, babe. I got you, babe.
I got you to hold my hand.
I got you to understand.
I got you to walk with me.
I got you to talk to me.
I got you to kiss goodnight.
I got you to hold me tight.
I got you, I won't let go.
I got you who loves me so.
I got you, babe. Yeah.
Chris, if the chief constable ever finds out what you're doing for a living now, you're a dead man. Dave hasn't found me yet. To close the first part of our show tonight, we welcome back Samantha Willis, Matt Pengelly, and our dancers with a song from the smash hit musical Grease. Do you remember those summer nights?
Summer loving had me a blast.
Summer loving, having some gas.
Man and girl crazy for me.
Never boy, you just could be.
Summer days drifting away, but all the summer nights. Tell me more,
Tell me more, tell me more, leave me at the
we went swimming, she got a clam.
Here and Ronnie, got Mr. Down.
Saved her life, she nearly drowned.
He showed up, splashed it around.
Summer sun, something's begun, but all the summer nights.
Tell me It turned colder, that's where it ends.
So I told her we'd still be friends.
Then we made our true love vow.
Wonder what she's doing now. Summer dreams ripped at the seams, but the summer
Oh, it's you lot again. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Give a round of applause for John Pern on lead guitar. I'm sure you remember the song Foot Tapper, of course, by The Shadows. And this is the bit of the show where the band have a little chance to just play around for a bit. And we're going to invite a special invited guest guitarist with us tonight, ladies and gentlemen. Now, that's where you go woo, okay? Wait a minute. We're going to invite a special guest guitarist, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please have your knickers ready? That doesn't include the band. For the head of regional and local programming in the southwest of England, Leo Devine. Former managing editor here at BBC Radio Cornwall, now head of the BBC in the southwest, joins the band for a couple of numbers tonight, and we're going to start off with this one from Simon and Garfunkel. This is called The Boxer.
I am just a poor boy, though my story's seldom told. I have squandered my resistance for a pocket full of mumbles, such are promises. All lies and jest, still a man hears what he wants to hear and disregards the rest. La 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 la. When I left my home and my family, I was no more than a boy in the company of strangers, in the quiet of a railway station, running scared. Laying low, seeking out the poorer quarters where the ragged people go, looking for the places only they would know. Lie, 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 lie. La 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 la. Asking only workman's wages, I come looking for a job, but I get no offers. Just to come on from the whores on 7th Avenue. I do declare there were times when I was so lonesome I took some comfort there. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. La la la. La 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 la. Then I'm laying out my winter clothes, wishing I was gone, going home, where the New York City winters are not leading me, going home. In the clearing stands a boxer and a fighter by his trade, and he carries the reminders of every glove that laid him down or cut him till he cried out in his anger and his shame. I am leaving, but the fighter still remains. La 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 la, la 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 la, la la la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la.
Leo Devine, ladies and gentlemen. And you'll see more of Leo in this next short set. We're going to welcome back our keyboard player. I'm going to introduce you to all the band after our next number, but let's welcome back our first keyboard player, Mark Clapp. To meet Mark in just a moment. I've got a nice little story to tell you about Mark, actually, in just a second. Also, will you please welcome back our backing vocalist, Mark Ashton? And sing lead on this song, which has been made famous by George Benson and Whitney Houston, Liz Ashton.
The children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride to make it easier. Let the children's laughter remind us how we used to be. Everybody's searching for a hero. People need someone to look up to. I never found anyone who fulfilled my needs. A lonely place to be. So I learned to depend on me. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I lived as I believe. No matter what they take from me, can't take away my dignity, because the greatest love of all is happening to me. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. The greatest love of all is happening to me. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. And if by chance that special place that you've been dreaming of leads you to a lonely place, find yourself in love. I decided long ago never to walk in anyone's shadow. If I fail, if I succeed, at least I lived as I believe. No matter what they take from me, can't take away my dignity, because the greatest is happening to me. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. The greatest love of all is happening to me. Learning to love yourself is the greatest love of all. And if by chance that special place that you've been dreaming of leads you to a lonely place, find yourself in
Ladies and gentlemen, Liz Ashton, and before they go, tell us who these are.
The little one over there with the blonde hair is my daughter Katie, who's 7. And the handsome young fella here is Joe, Leo's son, who played for you on the number before with the guitar.
Thank you ever so much. We've got some Manchester United annuals for you. Okay, now let me introduce you to all these people here. The Radio Cornwall band. First of all, the old man of the band, over here, on my left, pardon? Old? Who's that? Is that your wife?
No, I don't think so. She wouldn't say that, I don't think. Yes, you would. Yes, you would, wouldn't you, dear? Yes.
This is the editor of the West Briton. You'll read the West Briton, don't you? Yes, the editor of the West Briton, John Pern, ladies and gentlemen. We've got him out of retirement. You see, he's usually in a very nice nursing home every weekend. It's a very swish nursing home. They give them Viagra and cocoa before they go to bed every night. The cocoa helps them sleep. The Viagra stops them rolling out of bed. On bass, ladies and gentlemen, good old friend of mine, Norman Bellis. Norman's played with Status Quo, Four Tops, James Brown, all that sort of stuff, so you can tell how old he is. Sadly, though, he's in court next week. No, it's all right. It's an easy mistake. It can happen to everybody. He was walking past the garage, and he saw a sign that said, "Brake shoes." So he started throwing them against the wall. That wasn't the problem. The problem was when he saw the next sign that said, "Clutch parts." You'd get there in the end, wouldn't you? On keyboards, ladies and gentlemen, the man who helped me put the music for this show together, Mark Clapp. Fabulous keyboard player, I'm sure you'll agree. And myself and Mark and a few others are going to be doing some Gershwin stuff next year. Do you like Gershwin? Okay, we'll look out for that. I'm sure you'll hear it on my show at some point. On second keyboard, ladies and gentlemen, another good friend of mine, Chris Hutton. She's not actually playing in this song, but you have seen her tonight already in two wonderful sax solos. The one in Summertime was just superb. She hasn't actually been to any rehearsals. She is so good, she just turned up tonight and played on saxophone. Alex Burley. And of course, no band would be complete without the backing vocalists who help keep everything together. Liz and Mark Ashton. Husband and wife team, not brother and sister, before you were wondering. Now, before we move on, I have a birthday in the audience here tonight. Where's Cheryl Wooten? Cheryl, where are you? Come and see me, Cheryl. Come down here. Come on. I've got a Manchester United annual for you. Here she comes. Give her a nice big round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. This is Cheryl. Come on, Cheryl, we ain't got all night. Hurry up, you're young. 15 years young, in fact, ladies and gentlemen. I was told not to embarrass her, so I hope I haven't done that. No? Come over here. This is Cheryl. She's smiling through gritted teeth here. What was that? What did you say then? You're dead, was that?
No.
Where are you from, Cheryl?
True.
When's your birthday? Monday, is it?
Yeah.
Well, we're not doing the show on Monday, but we're going to sing Happy Birthday to Cheryl tonight. All right, ladies and gents? Here we go. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Cheryl. Well done, Cheryl. Have a happy birthday. Give her a big round of applause. Come here, you. Friggins, get out here. It was Jane Friggins, ladies and gentlemen. And Madeline Gould, who was singing Happy Birthday. Okay, now there is, I just got to drink my pint of vodka, excuse me. There is somebody else that I would like to introduce you to tonight. Very special lady, who I've been with for, oh, blimey, 32 years. My mum. Come up here. This is my mum, ladies and gentlemen. You didn't know I was going to do this, did you?
No, I didn't.
We got a big cake here for you.
Cake?
Yeah, cake.
Why?
No, we haven't. I'm only joking. I'm going to admit this now. She still does my washing. Shut up. Am I ironing? Am I a nice son?
Yes.
Thanks. I've got my hand behind it. I'm operating the thingies. Okay. We're gonna do a song now because I've been crashing around on the drums for far too long. So we're gonna do a song without drums, and I'm gonna dedicate it to my mum. So here we go. It's amazing how you can speak right to my heart. Without saying a word, you can light up the dark. Try as I may, I can never explain what I hear when you don't say a thing. The smile on your face makes me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. All day long I can hear people talking out loud. But when you hold me near, you drown out the crowd. Try as they may, they can never define what's been said between your heart and mine. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. The smile on your face lets me know that you need me. There's a truth in your eyes saying you'll never leave me. The touch of your hand says you'll catch me wherever I fall. You say it best when you say nothing at all. You say it best when you say nothing at all. For my mum, because she's great. Life is safer behind the drums, I can tell you. Okay, we're going to welcome back to the stage now Leo Devine. Are you ready to party, ladies and gentlemen? Yeah. Because we are going to liven things up a little bit now. So hearing aids down or out, preferably. Okay? Oh, by the way, just before Leo starts blowing your ears off, I just want to tell you, seen the newspapers this week, David Beckham, captain of England. For God's sake, what are we coming to? Anyway, Beckham had his birthday the other week. We've got a Manchester United supporting bass player here. For one gig only, I hasten to add. I didn't know that when I booked him. Anyway, David Beckham had a birthday last week and gets a jigsaw puzzle for his birthday, phones up Alex Ferguson, says, boss, I've got a real problem. I got a jigsaw and I can't do it and I can't concentrate on the weekend's game if I can't do my jigsaw. Ferguson says, all right, bring the jigsaw over, we'll do it, then you can concentrate on the weekend's game. So Beckham takes the jigsaw over to Alex Ferguson and Ferguson says, all right, come on, put them on the table. So he tips all the jigsaw pieces onto the table. Alex Ferguson stands there and looks at the table and says, David, put the cornflakes back in the box. Okay. All right, I'm going to head back behind the drums. Let's give a big welcome to the head of the BBC in the Southwest, Leo Devine.
I hope you're ready for this one. This song is 30 years old, but it's a rock song. Keep hold of your hats. I said, hey, what is this? Maybe she's in need of a little kiss. Jet, hey, what's your name? Maybe we can see if things the same. Now don't you wait or hesitate. Let's go before they raise the parking rate. All right now, baby, it's the all right now. All right now, baby, it's the all right now. We'll take her home to my place, watching Elfra move on her face. She said, hey, go so fast. Oh, don't you think that love can last? I said, love, oh Lord above. Now you're trying to trick me in love. All right now, baby, it's the all right now. All right now, baby, it's the all right now.
Ladies and gentlemen, Liz Ashton, David White, Leo Devine, John Byrne, and the boys in the band. Let's hear it for them. Are you sitting comfortably? It's story time. Well, yes. Now then, my career went on a little bit, and along came the miners' strike. And I took a squad of Devon and Cornwall policemen up to Derbyshire to police the picket line, which really was no joke. Half the time we didn't know which side we were on. Seriously, we didn't. And when we got there, we lived in a military barracks. It was an old tank corps barracks. I think the tanks had been in there before we were. It was horrible. But we were all stacked into this place, and one of the guys opened his suitcase. And in the suitcase was the kid's teddy bear, a little teddy bear that the kiddie had put in so Daddy would be safe and have someone to cuddle up to at night. This is a true story. It happened to coincide with Children in Need. So policemen being policemen, someone kidnapped the teddy bear and left a note on the officer's pillow, all cut out of newspaper, which said, "Give £10 to Children in Need or the teddy bear gets it." He didn't do it. So the next morning when he woke up, he found on his pillow beside him Teddy's left ear with another note saying it's just gone up to 20 quid or the Teddy gets it. He still didn't pay. Next morning, there's the other ear with a note saying, "Please, Daddy, do what they say. They're really hurting me. And please excuse the writing, but my glasses keep falling off." It's a true story. It's not a joke. Now, we've had Les Mis, we've had Aspects of Love, all sorts of shows. Who remembers Showboat? Yes. Then we're going to have a song now from Showboat. Listen again to Annette Hillman as she sings "She Can't Help Loving That Man."
It must be something that the angels done plan. The chimney's smoking, the roof is leaking in, but he don't seem to care. He can be happy with just a sip of gin. I even love him when his kisses got gin. Fish gotta swim, birds gotta fly. I gotta love one man till I die. Can't help loving that man of mine. loving that man of mine. When he goes away, that's a rainy day. But when he comes back, that day is gone. Look at the sunshine. He can come home as late as can be. Home without him ain't no home to me. And help loving that man of mine.
Great. We were going to surprise you tonight. We expected to have Cher here. We didn't think the BBC license fee would run to it, however. But we asked her, and she said, well, why not? And then she stood too close to the radiator backstage, and she's melted. So here's Tiffany. Think about it. Come on. So here's Tiffany Truscott and the girls with a Shoop Shoop song.
Does he love me? I wanna know. How can I tell if he loves me so? Oh no, you'll be deceived. Oh no, let's not believe if you wanna know. If he loves you so, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Oh no, that's just his arms. In his warm embrace. Oh no, that's just his charm. If you wanna know, if he loves you so, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Whoa, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Whoa, hug him, and squeeze him tight, and find out what you wanna know. If it's love, if it really is, it's there in his kiss. How about the way he loves? Oh no, that's not the way. Then you're not listening to all I say. And if you wanna know, if he loves you so, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Oh, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Whoa, hug him, squeeze him tight, and find out what you wanna know. If it's love, if it really is, it's there in his kiss. How about the way he loves? Oh no, that's not the way, and you're not listening to all I say. And if you wanna know, if he loves you so, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Oh, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Ooh, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Ooh, it's in his kiss. That's where it is. Thank you. Thanks all my girls here.
Please welcome the lovely ladies again from the Cornwall Dance Centre.
gotta have faith. I gotta have faith. Because I gotta have faith. I gotta have faith.
I tell you, I can't take much more of that squeezing pass back there. Hey. Phew. 2 songs now from the world of cinema, well, animated cinema, really. From The Lion King, Mark Lanyon will sing Can You Feel the Love Tonight, followed by Tiffany and Matthew singing Somewhere Out There from An American Tale. And talking about American tales, what about that election? The best quote I've heard up to now is David Letterman, who's, if you don't know who David Letterman is, he's a nighttime talk show host in the States. He said, George W. Bush is not the President of the United States. Al Gore is not the President of the United States. Let's just leave it like that. Right, here we go then. Please welcome Mark Lanyon.
There's a calm surrender to the rush of day when the heat of this rolling world can be thrown away. An enchanted moment, and it sees me through the eyes of this restless warrior, just to be with you. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. There's a time for everyone if they only learn that the twisting kaleidoscope moves us all in turn. There's a rhyme and reason to the great outdoors when the heart of this star-crossed voyager beats in time with yours. And can you feel the love tonight? It is where we are. It's enough for this wide-eyed wanderer that we got this far. And can you feel the love tonight? How it's laid to rest. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very best. It's enough to make kings and vagabonds believe the very
someone saying a prayer that we'll find one another in that big somewhere out there. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing on the same bright star.
And when the night wind starts to sing a lonesome lullaby, it helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same big sky. Somewhere out there, if love can see us through, then we'll be together. Somewhere out there, out where dreams come true. And even though I know how very far apart we are, it helps to think we might be wishing on the same bright star. And when the night wind starts to sing a lonesome lullaby, it helps to think we're sleeping underneath the same big sky. Somewhere out there, love can see us through.
Love can see us through.
We'll be
Together, somewhere out there, out where dreams come true.
You know, a few years ago, a young Irishman took the world of entertainment by storm. His innovative dancing, based on Irish folk music, was just captured the imagination of people everywhere. The man was Michael Flaherty. The dance, ladies and gentlemen, River Dance. I can do that. After 15 pints of Guinness, I can do that. Oh, yes, I can. We're going to welcome Samantha Willis back to the stage now. She's going to sing a song from Andrew Lloyd Webber's Sunset Boulevard. If you don't understand the story of Sunset Boulevard, the song means nothing. So I'm going to tell you about it. It's the story of Norma Desmond, who was a big star in the days of the silent movies. And she wants to break back into pictures. And she feels that if she could just get back into the new talking pictures, she could captivate her audiences like she used to, with just one look.
With one look, I can break your heart. With one look, I play every part. I can make your sad heart sing. With one look, you'll know all you need to know. With one smile, I'm the girl next door. For the love that you've hungered for. When I speak, it's with my soul. I can play any role. No words can tell the stories my eyes tell. Watch me when I frown. You can't write that down. You know I'm right. It's there in black and white. When I look your way, you'll hear what I say. Yes, with one look, I put words to shame. Just one look sets the screen aflame. Silent music starts to play. One tear in my eye makes the whole world cry. Yes, with one look, they'll forgive the past. They'll rejoice I've returned at last to my people in the dark. Still out there in the dark. Silent music starts to play. With one look, you'll know all you need to know. With one look, I'll ignite a blaze. I'll return to my glory days. They'll say Norma's back at last. This time I'm staying for good. I'll be back where I was born to be. With one look, I'll be me.
Well, career moved on a bit, and I was into the last 10 years of my service, and then I got the plum job. I was privileged to be made the commander of the Royal Protection Group for Devon and Cornwall. And in the last 10 years, I've looked after 3 presidents, about 6 prime ministers, all of the royal family, and Salman Rushdie. There was a thrill. And all the kids backstage were saying, you've got to tell a story about the road protection. And I thought, I can't do that. You know, it wouldn't be right for me to stand up here and tell you stories, but I can tell you a story that happened on a royal visit, but it's against me, not against them. We took Princess Alexandra to the Devon County show about 6 or 7 years ago, and it was a mud bath. And I mean a mud bath. It was this deep in liquid mud. So we had to transfer her to a police Range Rover. So I jump in the driving seat. She's in the back with the chief constable. And up in front comes Barry. Now, Barry was an inspector from Widdicombe, and this was his moment to shine. He had his wellies on and his Mac, and he was walking in front of the Range Rover. And this is how he sounded, really. Come on now, boys and girls, let the dog see the bloody rabbit. Move aside. So I'm driving this Range Rover at about 15 miles an hour, with Barry walking very quickly in front, when Princess Alexandra leans over and taps me on the shoulder and says, what's that? I said, oh, that's speed guard, ma'am. She said, how does it work? I said, well, you click this and click that, and then it gives you the speed of the vehicle in front. When I looked up, Barry was gone. And suddenly this apparition came up over the front of the Range Rover. He'd stopped, I was looking down here, and I did him right up the backside, and he'd gone straight into the mud. And he came up over this Range Rover and says, you bloody fool, you'll never work again. About 4 years later, we were lucky enough, my wife and I, to be invited to Buckingham Palace, and the first person we bumped into was Princess Alexandra. And she said, how's that guy that you knocked over? So they do find it quite funny. Now, we've had Elvis, haven't we? What about Cliff? I bet you there's a few you girls out there had Cliff pendants, didn't you? You did, didn't you? You did, yeah. Chris Robbins will now sing one of Cliff's early hits, Please Don't Tease.
You tell me that you love me, baby, then you say you don't. You tell me that you'll come on over, then you say you won't. You love me like a hurricane, and then you start to freeze. I give it to you straight right now. Please don't tease. You come right out and tell me you're out with someone new. You play it oh so doggone cool. I don't know what to do. You never seem to answer me. You just don't hear my pleas. I give it to you straight right now. Please don't tease. Oh, please don't tease me. You know it hurts so much. Come on and squeeze me. Yeah. You know I need your tender touch. But you tell me that you love me, baby, then you say you don't. You tell me that you'll come on over, then you say you won't. You love me like a hurricane, and then you start to freeze. I give it to you straight right now. Please, baby, yeah. Oh, please don't tease me. You know it hurts so much. Come on and squeeze me. Yeah. You know I need your tender touch. But you tell me that you love me, baby, then you say you won't. You tell me that you'll come on over, then you say you won't. You love me like a hurricane, and then you start to freeze. I give it to you one more time. Please don't tease. Yeah.
If the boys at the Nick could see him now. Right at the start of the show, we had Elvis, right? And I said, to some people, Elvis is the king. But to me, there's only one male singer that could ever be classed as the king. His career spanned over 50 years. He was born in Hoboken, New Jersey. And I speak, of course, of Francis Albert Sinatra. Ladies and gentlemen, this really is Dave Alexander and the Dancers.
Start spreading the news. I'm leaving today. I wanna be a part of it. New York, New York. These vagabond shoes are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. I wanna wake up in a city that never sleeps, to find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap. These little town blues are longing to stray right through the very heart of it. New York, New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you. New York, New York. New York, New York. I wanna wake up in a city that never sleeps, to find I'm king of the hill, top of the heap, fame of the club at the top of the heap. Those little town blues are melting away. I wanna be a part of it in all New York. If I can make it there, I'll make it anywhere. It's up to you, New York, New York.
Thought you lost me. Ladies and gentlemen, will you please help me thank our artists, our lovely New York girls. The Cornwall Dance Centre River Dancers. From Truro Operatic Society, Mark Lanyon and Samantha Willis. Dave Alexander and Annette Hillman. They, of course, were our tonight's guest artists, and now from BBC Radio Cornwall, Matthew Shepherd and Tiffany Truscott. Chris Robbins and Madeline Gold. Matt Pengelly and Joanna Twist. Mark and Liz Ashton. And the head of the BBC in the Southwest, Leo Devine, and the Cornwall Dance Centre dancers. Are they lovely? Can I claim your attention now, please, for our producer, our guiding mentor, and the man that's been screaming at us all week, Mr. David White.
I feel like Tony Blair here on my shirt, but I'm far better looking than he is. Anyway, and Leo actually looks like William Hague, don't you think? But anyway, okay, so you're not going to hear me on the radio anymore. That's my job gone now. Go out in style, eh? I've got a long list of people to thank, but I'll rattle through it. I won't keep you very long. We've got a couple of presentations to make. Did you enjoy the show? Somebody stopped me outside beforehand and said, are you going to do one next year? What do you reckon? Yeah? Okay. I just want to thank everybody in the cast, first of all. You've had them come on to take their bows, but I just want to give them a massive thanks from me, because I just think they're fabulous. They put in so much hard work and enthusiasm. Our staff members have been turning up for rehearsals and then getting up at 5 in the morning to go on and do the breakfast show, and then staying late, some of them at night, and then whipping out, the boss doesn't actually know this, but whipping out while they were on shift to come rehearse and then going back and finishing off their work. So thank you very much from me. We give them a big round of applause from me. Okay. All right, I'm just going to list a few people who I just want to give a big thank you to. Clowning Around Costumes Festival from Camborne. They loaned us Matthew's Elvis costume. Doesn't he look great, eh? Enjoy Clothes in Truro have loaned us Chris Robbins' Sunny costume. Not Sunny and Cher, because I have to say, this is Madeline's own dress. She actually wears this outfit, would you believe? Also, Jean Garland is here. You'll hear her on the breakfast show tomorrow with James. She's been manning our Radio Cornwall stall, and Jane Friggins has been here as well. Thank you very much for bringing it down, guys. Dawn and Eric Gooding, where are you? Dawn? Hello, Dawn. Yeah, she gave us the Manchester United stuff. Thank you very much for that. They've donated some raffle prizes. Also, Mike Hillman, where are you? Michael? David. Michael. Michael, Annette's husband, has donated the Jack Daniels, which was the first prize to go, so thank you very much, Michael, for that. Also, Shearing's Hotels, we've got some representatives from Shearing's here. They donated the big cuddly toys, thank you for that. My mum and my sister have been selling the raffle tickets, thank you. Also, the lighting boys, Tony Taylor and Brian Leslie. I want to give them a big round of applause because they were fantastic. We sat down before dress rehearsal yesterday, and my lighting notes consisted of, this is a slow song, this is a fast song, will you do the lights as necessary, thank you. And they've worked on it, and thank you ever so much, guys, fabulous. Likewise, Eddie Jewell on front of house sound. Thanks, Eddie. Eddie's been fantastic. Ably assisted, I have to say, by Mike Asquith and Ryan, who's been wandering around throwing mics at people to make sure everybody's got the right mic, because we've got little labels on the seat, and everybody has to have the right mic, so the front of house guys know when to fade up the mics. Also, a lady you never see, Maureen. Come out here. Come on. Maureen Hall is our stage manager, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give her a big round of applause. Thank you very much. Again, you never see the backroom guys, and they do so much work. Again, Maureen turned up last night, and my notes consisted of closed curtains here and open curtains here. Add smoke when necessary, and that was it. Thank you, Maureen. You've done a wonderful job. Maureen Hall, yes, you can go now. Thank you. Just a couple more. Bob and Carol here at the pavilions who've been selling the tickets for us. Thank you ever so much. As usual, everything went smoothly again, as it always does here. And Gary and Jack, who are our BBC sound engineers, who you will never see, but they're out in the back of the van, and I've actually given them a little half bottle of whiskey each, so they're probably drunk by now, actually. But there are sound engineers out the back. Now, a couple of quick presentations we have to make here for you. Some people have been extra kind to us, and we just want to say a very, very big thank you. We had problems finding rehearsal space for this. We actually did the first band rehearsal in my living room, didn't we, guys? We watched a lot of telly at that rehearsal, I just can tell you. But we've actually found St. Day Church Hall. Annette Hillman, who's been in the show, set it up for us. But not only did she set it up for us and sort out the fee for us, she also turned up on the night to bring us tea and biscuits, and she even brought me a loaf of homemade bread. So I just want to say a very, very big thank you to Annette, and here's some flowers for you, Annette. Thank you very much. The bread was lovely. Oh, hey, talking of bread, have you tried my microwave cheese recipe? Shut up, you lot. It's lovely. Verity Roberts, we want to give you some flowers. You're the current Miss Falmouth. You helped us out with drawing the raffle tonight. Thank you very much. Come and get these. Where's she gone? Is she there? Will you give her these flowers for me? Yeah? There you go. Thank you very much. Okay, oh yeah. Juliet Matthews. Where is she? Juliet. Juliet is the principal of the Cornwall Dance Centre, who supplied all the dancers here tonight and did all the choreography for everybody. So big thank you from everybody at Radio Cornwall.
Thank you.
Some more flowers in just a second, but I want to give this is a special thank you from the cast and from me to the guys in the band. We were really struggling with what to get these guys, so we thought musicians. Alcohol, yeah. So that's what we've got them. We've got them some little, they're kind of half champagne bottles of Bucks Fizz and some chocolates, so here they come here. Boys, get off your instruments and come forward and collect these because you deserve to be seen. You were fantastic tonight. Mark Clapp, Chris Hutton, Alex Burley, Norman Bellis, John Pound and Liz and Mark Ashton and Leo Devine. Thank you, mate. Here we are. Tiffany, sweat your stuff. Cheers, Chris. Thank you very much. These guys are just fabulous. Thank you, Alex. Can't believe you just turned up tonight to play that so wonderfully. Mark. You're a Manchester United fan. You don't get one. Here we are. There you go. Cheers, mate. Thank you very much. Okay. Okay, that's it. We got one more for you. The only way we can get this person on stage is by giving her flowers. It's our managing editor. She keeps saying, I'm not going to come up on stage because I don't like speaking to people, but we've got some flowers for you, so you've got to come up on stage now to get them. Pauline Causey, ladies and gentlemen. There you go. Thank you. Do you want to say some words?
Yes, I will say some words. I always say to the... well, they actually always say to me, the only way they know to shut me up is to put me behind a microphone. I just really wanted to say thank you to everybody who's come along tonight, because there's a lot of talk these days about worthy causes, and you probably all get lots of collecting tins rattled in your faces. But I think you'll all agree that Children in Need is probably one of the most worthy ones that we can support. It's a charity that just helps children in the UK, and it's also one that is very good at targeting the money that it raises back locally. And I know that we here in Cornwall have done extremely well out of Children in Need over the past few years. I can think of play groups that have had grants, drop-in centres for older children. On a more serious note, the children who have been affected by family troubles, like domestic problems, for refuge shelters have had grants. Schools have had grants, after school playgroups. A lot of the money that you give does come back to Cornwall. And the one thing that I thought tonight, seeing 100 people on the stage and 500 people out there, you know, you can't see anything here. And I've got this spangly cardi on, it's reflecting up and blinding me. One thing I thought was, over the next week, we're all going to see a lot of collecting tins. Now, we've all had a brilliant evening, both those of us who are sitting down in the audience and those of us on the stage. If we all put £1 in one collecting tin over the next week, and we get somebody we know to put £1 in one collecting tin, we'll have raised another £1,200 for Children in Need without doing any work at all. So if you can just do that over the next week, and then the big night is on Friday. So thank you very much for coming, and thank you guys. Aren't they amazing?
Thank you very much. Okay, just one more quick presentation for you. You can't do everything on your own, and I just want to say thank you to Tiffany, who's arranged all the flowers and all sorts of things, and has also starred in the show, so it's just a little something from me, Tiff, just for you. Thank you very much.
And David, we haven't said thank you to you, our multi-talented producer, David White. Thank you. The big one's on Monday. Everyone's great.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's just down to me now to say to you, thank you for your support. Thank you for coming. During your busy weekend, you can spend 2 minutes to remember this. I know this is Children in Need, but just think of the people who gave their lives, who are still giving their lives in places like Kosovo, Bosnia, Sierra Leone. Think of them, and wherever you go in the county this evening, you have a safe evening. Good night.
Everybody clapping, man. That's right, hands